this note 2 situation when I'm raising it to a power with an even denominator. Let's do another example. So now on the second example, I have 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 3 over 4, and that should equal negative 8. My radical exponent portion, or rational exponent portion, is already isolated, so I can go ahead and raise both sides to my reciprocal power. My reciprocal is going to be 4 over 3. So I see I have even numerator, which means after I'm done, I'm going to need to check my solution for an extraneous solution. Okay? So raise to the 4/3 power, both sides. Reciprocals multiplied gives me a power of 1. So I'm left with 3x minus 2 undone. This is an inverse operation. Okay? But then I have over here negative 8 to the 4/3 power, and we need to simplify that, which remember could, with properties of multiplication, I can either say that's negative 8 to the 1/3, all raised to the 4th power, or negative 8 to the 4th power, all to the 1/3 power. So I'm going to prefer, since 8 is a perfect cube, I'm going to look at it as this way, but I'll show you both. So we've got negative 8 to the 4th power, all cube rooted, or cube root of negative 8 raised to the 4th power. I'm going to go with this option since 8 is a perfect cube. So negative 8 cube rooted is going to give me negative 2. So now I have negative 2 raised to the 4th power for that simplification. So I've got 3x minus 2 equals negative 2 to the 4th power. Negative 2 to the 4th power is positive 16. So I'm going to rewrite minus 2 equals 16 and solve the two-step equation. Divide both sides by 3, we get x equals 6. Okay? But I need to check my results. I need to check because I raised it to a power with an even numerator. So my check is going to happen right here. So I've got 3 times 6 minus 2 to the 3/4 power. Does that equal negative 8? Sorry for how cramped it is. So I get 18 minus 2 to the 3/4 power. I get 16 to the 3/4 power. And I'm going to take the 4th root of 16 first. Again, you could type this in your calculator. You don't have to do it by hand. But 16 to the 4th root is going to be 2. And that becomes 2 cubed. 2 cubed is positive 8. Positive 8 does not equal negative 8. So this would be extraneous. Okay? But again, all these other crazy powers with your plain number, you can type that in your calculator. Don't freak out. I just didn't have the calculator with me. Okay? So now you've got these notes. Do the try it out section. Get me to check before moving on to the practice. Okay? All right.